Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust aspect ratio in Capcut for various platforms. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Capcut application on my phone. Then I have imported a video as well on my Capcut project. And if you want to adjust the aspect ratio in Capcut, the first thing we have to do is click on the aspect ratio button right here on the bottom of our screen. Then if you want to adjust the ratio, it actually depends on the social media where we want to post our video. For example, if you want to post your video to TikTok, you can choose this TikTok ratio, 9:16 ratio. And it's actually not only suitable for TikTok videos, but also suitable for YouTube Short and Instagram Reels. So better if you choose it if you want to post your video to TikTok as Instagram Reels or YouTube Short. But if you want to post your video as Instagram post, you better to choose this ratio, this 1:1 ratio. And if you want to post your video as YouTube video for your YouTube channel, you can click or you can choose on this ratio, this 16:9 ratio. You can also choose this one if you want to post to your YouTube channel. Okay guys, and for me, I'm just going to select this YouTube ratio. So just click on the ratio to select it. And after you are done, you can click on this check mark button. Okay guys, and that's how we can adjust the aspect ratio in Capcut for various platforms. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video. Bye!